home and we unloaded everything from the car. I just want to show you guys these quality.
We unloaded.
Yes,
Change your
me and you are a unit, right?
No, I unloaded.
Me and you are a unit. We are a unit. We are a unit. Friends, I want to show you. I got these kulfi bars from Costco. They have malai flavor, mango, and pistachio. I love these. These are so good. We always freeze the chicken, so Money is cutting up some chicken right now while it's not frozen, so we can make chicken tacos. And I'm just refilling Money's cashews because he loves these, and him and his friends finish all of these so quick. Okay guys, I just cut up the onions and I marinated the chicken, and I'm gonna make some chicken tacos.
Come on.
What? Akam is matching with us again
It was
today?
unintentional.
No
I'm
fucking way. Hi, baby. He's feeding Akam. He won't even let me touch him.
You can touch him.
Okay, thank you so much.
Just touch.
Hi, Akam. Oh, baby.
You wanna
He's
feed
like,
him?
No, you can feed him.
Okay.
And then I made Kiran some chicken tacos. Kiran, how do you like it?
Oh, bomb. Better than outside.
Yay. Iko, look who we got you. Look at this. Oh my goodness. I think he's looking at the fan. He's like, I'm busy right now. Here, I'm gonna put it over here and your arm around it, okay? Camera is not on. Yeah, why are you looking at the camera? Hey guys.
Hi guys, Kenda.
Oh, no way. Hey
Every
guys.
time you say something, he repeats it. Have you noticed?
Yeah. Say hey guys. We're gonna make him a YouTuber. Hey guys. Today I peed, I pooped, I ate. What else did you do? And slept. You're gonna be the next Puneet superstar? Ow, Salo.
देखिया नहीं प्लीज
ਕੀ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਨੱਲੇ ਬੇਰੁਜ਼ਗਾਰ
ਨੱਲੇ ਬੇਰੁਜ਼ਗਾਰ ਛਪਰੀ ਵਿਕੂਗੇ ਭੁੱਖ ਲੱਗੀ ਸੀ ਏਕਮ ਦੁੱਧੂ ਪੀ ਰਿਹਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਏਕਮ ਦੁੱਧੂ ਪੀਂਦੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਏਕਮ ਦੁੱਧੂ ਪੀਂਦੇ ਸੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਤੂੰ You wanna do vlogging, Ekam? You wanna do vlogging? You have to handle this. You have to grab this and do vlogging. Hello guys, I'm drinking milk right now. Then I will poop. Then I will drink milk. Then I will poop. Then I will drink milk. Then I will poop.
What about sleep?
Sleep at night. Okay?
No, daily too.
Daily, okay. दिने भी सोना राती भी सोना और कुछ सारा कुछ दसना होता अच्छा सिर्फ टट्टी छड़ के
I hate that word.
I know, he always says it in every single vlog.
I'd rather say potty than.
कौन आया केरन आई केरन
Yeah, I was like outside. Oh, are you guys matching?
I thought she was excited to see me, but no, she's just looking at Akam.
I know I am. Dude, his eyes. Can I hold her?
No.
No. They've been fighting.
He's supposed to burp, okay? So you can burp him. I was gonna record this whole conversation. You have a clinic, right?
Yeah.
No, you have a clinic. You work at a clinic,
I
right?
work in a clinic center, and so this guy came and he plays cricket with Money's team.
no not my team किसी मुंडे दा
You just said that.
किसी not my team other team
Other team.
किसी मुंडे दा तो thumb फट गया ना
No, you were saying that someone came with a broken thumb, right?
No, he has a
Whatever.
laceration
Yeah.
actually. It was a tear,
so
right?
टांके लगे छे
And it happens to be someone that you know.
Not dramatic.
it happens to be someone that I know and ਉਦਨ ਜਦੋਂ ਉਹਦਾ thumb ਫਟਾ ਉਦਨ ਮੈਂ ਸਾਡੀ ਟੀਮ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਸੀਗਾ
अच्छा, ਤੁਸੀਂ responsible आ गया.
Did you guys win?
yeah we won
Okay, 50.
but I was not there I was in Minneapolis
Oh, never mind. Shame on you then. Oh my god. You're filming and I'm just
No, I was like, he like did this and then now he's just chilling.
Don't bother me.
okay guys I am going to play cricket नीतू एंड ਉਹਦੀਆਂ ਫਰੈਂਡਸ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਬੈਠੇ ਆ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਬਾਤਾਂ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਬਟ ਮੇਰਾ ਟਾਈਮ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਕ੍ਰਿਕਟ ਪ੍ਰੈਕਟਿਸ ਕਰਨ ਦਾ ਅੱਜ ਬਹੁਤ ਦਿਨਾਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਕ੍ਰਿਕਟ ਪ੍ਰੈਕਟਿਸ ਕਰਨੀ ਹੈ ਇੱਕ ਹਫਤਾ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ I am going to play cricket let's go ਮੈਂ ਪਹੁੰਚ ਗਿਆ ਗਰਾਊਂਡ 'ਚ ਇੱਧਰ ਗਰਾਊਂਡ ਆ ਉਹ ਪਹੁੰਚ ਗਏ ਫਰੈਂਡ ਮੇਰੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਤੇ ਚਲੋ ਚਲੀਏ ਕ੍ਰਿਕਟ ਖੇਡੀਏ ਬੜੇ ਦਿਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਖੇਡੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਤੇ ਆਈ ਐਮ ਐਕਸਾਈਟਡ ਯੂ نو ਇੱਕ ਕ੍ਰਿਕਟ ਕਰਕੇ ਮੈਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਐਕਸਾਈਟਡ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਨੀਤੂ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਪਤਾ ਨੀਤੂ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਕਿਸੇ ਹੋਰ ਚੀਜ਼ ਲਈ ਵੀ ਐਕਸਾਈਟਡ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗਾ ਸਿਰਫ ਕ੍ਰਿਕਟ ਲਈ ਐਕਸਾਈਟਡ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਤੂੰ ਲੋ ਜੀ ਪਹੁੰਚ ਗਏ ਸਾਰੇ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕਰਤਾ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਖੇਡਣਾ ਸਾਡੀ ਟੀਮ ਦੇ ਕੈਪਟਨ ਹੈ
ਕੈਪਟਨ ਤੇ ਐਕਟਿੰਗ ਕੈਪਟਨ
retired captain hai shot ਵੱਜ ਗਿਆ
Gil is here with us still. I'm making chicken biryani and we're gonna open it and I'm gonna add some color. I have to open the lid.
Ready? 1, 2,
Your
3.
phone is gonna fog up, okay? Ooh.
Ta-da!
Okay, so we're gonna add some color. So I like to just add it like this.
You should make a K on it.
Make a K for Kiran. Kiran. Okay, and then just go ahead and close it.
Okay.
Yeah. So when we mix it up, there's gonna be like a little bit of red. I wanted to make a video. I was like, nahi ji sad gaya, phir I don't want it to be on video.
Then it's gonna be a bad video, but I don't think so. It's a sadya.
Oh, okay, let's see. Oh my gosh, look at the fried onions.
Look at that, guys.
मजा आ गया देख के ही मजा आ गया Ben's about to try. Let's see if she likes it or if मैं उदी hype बनाई सीगी.
Guys, 10 out of 10. No, 10 out of 20. 20 out of 10. This is so good.
10 out of 20 is like a 5 out of 10.
I know she's awesome.
की क्या तू?
And Money is very lucky to have it.
She said you're very lucky to have me.
To have Neetu? Let's see.
And
I am lucky. So guys, I just came from the ground. ਖੇਡਣ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਨੀਤੂ ਨੇ ਬਣਾਈ ਚਿਕਨ ਬਿਰਿਆਨੀ. ਅੱਜ ਚੰਨ ਕਿੱਥੋਂ ਚੜਿਆ?
ਚੰਨ
ਤਾਂ ਚੜਿਆ.
किरण चढ़िया किरण ने चढ़ाया
ਬਸ ਡਿਲੀਸ਼ੀਅਸ ਮੈਂ ਖਾ ਲਿਆ. ਹੁਣ ਮੈਂ ਕਰ ਲਵਾਂ ਵਲੌਗ ਐਡਿਟ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਸਵੇਰੇ ਵਲੌਗ ਪਾਣਾ ਹੈ. ਨਹੀਂ ਤਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਨੀਤੂ ਨੇ ਨਾਰਾਜ਼ ਹੋ ਜਾਣਾ ਵੀ ਐਡੀਟਿੰਗ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਦਾ.
No, I'm very proud of you. You've been very consistent. Just keep it up.
I'm keeping it up.